Check the recap last night. Okay, look at this. Donnie!
You ready to go? All right, let's go. Come on. You got everything?
Yeah.
You sure?
Hi, honey.
Can I borrow the car?
Let me check the weather. It's supposed to start raining at about 10 o'clock.
Don't worry, I'll be home before then.
Oh, really? Because 2 nights ago, you got in at 12:30.
I know, I promise I'll be home before then.
Okay, be safe. Right here.
Oh, look at the sunflower. It's cute.
Hey,
Hey, Dad.
what do you think of this?
Great, I love it. Can I try it?
Yeah, let's go. Be careful. Be careful.
Dad. Whoa.
Be careful. Is where you wanna grow up. Hope you just wanna be young.
Does your morning look like this? There is a better way. A compromise-free way. One that is sustainable, powerful, and portable. Think it's too good to be true? Think again. This is the world's lightest electric bike. This is CARBO. It's light, it's smart, it's carbon, it's compact. It's CARBO.
Having been in the e-bike industry for many years, we have tackled most of the problems that users and mechanics have mentioned. E-bikes tend to be bulky, heavy, not to mention the bad weight distribution which compromises your riding experience.
And it's also hard to find after-sales service due to complexity of repairs.
So we have decided to redefine what a folding e-bike should be.
Light, durable, stunning design and functionality. When designing the CARBO, the main challenges were the weight and access to critical electric components. All the components are separate, making it easy to service and upgrade. No special tool required.
Anyone can do it. So we joined forces with the best players in the industry and created a team of manufacturing experts to make CARBO come to life.
Carbon fiber also absorbs vibration, resulting in a more comfortable ride.
Not only is carbon fiber lighter than aluminum, it's also 8 times stronger.
Having the battery in the seat post creates an optimal center of gravity. It's also easily removable for indoor storage or charging.
It's for everyone, everywhere.
How about right home? The smart screen can connect to your phone by Bluetooth and guide you to your destination.
Designed to fit into your life, no learning curve required. CARBO is the perfect urban companion.
Not only do we want to see more people on e-bikes, but we would like to share our passion and experience and create the best e-bike tailored to your needs, engineered for your peace of mind.
CARBO is ready to roll,
Fully functional,
ready for production.
all we need is your support to make this
A reality.
We are finally here to present the Close ukulele and full-size guitar in 6 different colors. Close Guitars has created the ultimate durable, high-quality sounding carbon fiber travel guitar. We've sent thousands of these guitars to over 70 countries in all 50 states. We've taken everything we've learned until now and are launching the ukulele and full-size guitar in 6 new vibrant colors. Our instruments are handcrafted for maximum precision. The hollow body and thin soundboard in wooden instruments is the first thing to crack or warp with time. We strengthen these weakest links by making them out of durable and lightweight carbon fiber, ensuring the instruments can survive any rugged environment. Carbon fiber is a very strong material that is used in extreme industries because of its high strength-to-weight ratio and its resistance to temperature and humidity changes. Don't take our word for it though, see for yourself. We designed several tests to simulate more extreme variations of situations you might encounter while adventuring with your instrument. The results came in, and it was actually nearly impossible to break this thing. Close instruments are not just durable though, they also sound amazing. The soundboard has been engineered from an innovative composite sandwich panel that has the flexibility to resonate and produce a great sound and tone. When it comes down to playing every day, you want your instrument to feel nice to your fingers so that you keep coming back, which is why we pay particular attention to filing the nut, from leveling and polishing the frets, to producing superb playability. So say goodbye to worrying about temperature or humidity damaging your ukulele or guitar. Carbon fiber is what modern jet planes are made out of, meaning you'll be left with a great sounding instrument that will last you for generations to come.